My video guide will give you detailed instructions to get rid of the pop-ups coming from the site preparingorderwn2.click or preparingorderwn1.click. Basically, both of these pop-ups are extremely deceptive because they try to make you subscribed to some payment of internet security program. It could be some decent application, but sometimes the pop-up may simply redirect you to a lot of other websites that may force you into downloading some other software, not the one that is advertised on the main page. The pop-up by preparingorderwn2.click may display pretty misleading, sometimes very scary information that may try to point you into the purchasing of the software. But in reality, all the information delivered by these pop-ups is totally faulty and you should not trust it. What the pop-up does is considered as a typical online scam, so do not interact with all these fake alerts. Do not trust them. I would recommend you to carefully research your available applications because very often the occurrence of such pop-ups may be the result of some adware. So first thing you could do is to research your available programs and delete any items that are suspicious. Finally, consider checking your available browser extensions. If you detect any suspicious items, get rid of them in the similar manner. Also, I would recommend you to research your device with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and researching your computer to be convinced that it is free of any other hidden threats. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will get the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threats were found. In your particular case, the number of threats may be more than 20 or below 20. But definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threats, including the locations of these threats on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected threat manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular threat. This will show you the location of threat in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threats or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threats altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.